Hi guys, for this video day guys is adong sa eskwelahan. Ang mga subject ko guys is IT and Professional in Ethics, which is one of our major subject day guys. Then this time day guys is magbaklar dem ni Edgardo guys kay pamusin ni Sito guys. Pwede siya may motor guys.
Kasi inisito guys kay upam ni abot kinako tugay ko sa nakamata. Muna unya pa to siya sa kan subject mo sulod.
So short video din guys kay wakay ko naka video ganina guys kay since na busy ako guys muna okay ko naka video. So bali nari ko YouTube guys, so bali subscribe na lang ato guys. Then sa mga new followers na guys is thanks for following day guys. Actually guys, my vlog is all about my life after guys. And lastly day guys is shout out day ko ni Prince Charles Gloria guys. So more dito guys.